Oh.
Are you sure this is what it's supposed to taste like? Ugh.
We gotta finish this bottle.
No.
Welcome back. Today we are drinking vintage Amari. Amari is plural for Amaro. Amaro is an Italian word meaning bitter, so these are Italian bitter liqueurs. What's exciting about them is they are Italian bitter liqueurs from the 1960s and 70s. So these actual bottles are older than me. So I hope they're not poison. I'm gonna have Oz drink with me so we can both go down together if they are. I'm really excited because we've got some that I've never even heard of before. In a couple instances, I do have current bottles of these so we can do a side-by-side. Also, I'd like to add, if you're new to the channel, welcome to this little corner of YouTube. Hit that subscribe button if you want more sips, tips, and recipes. Let's drink some Amari. To the bar. All right, so we have a few different styles here. We're gonna start with the Cynar.
I like Cynar. I've had Cynar.
Cynar is, out of all of these, is the lightest alcohol content. It's at 16.5% ABV. Cynar is a Carciofo style Amaro, which means artichoke, and it dates back to 1952. So as far as the bottles go, this would be the newest brand. Still an old bottle. This one, I think, said was from 1962. There's a part of me that's a little scared to open these.
I'm terrified.
Yeah. Oh, no sending it back. For the last couple days, I've had all of these bottles kind of sitting still because there's gonna be sediment and particles in there that I want to settle to the bottom. We're just gonna sip from the top. Looks like it's a little bit syrupy. It smells good, I think.
It smells very good.
It smells sweet.
Mine has a bit of dust in it. Like, can you see? It's not gonna focus. It's like super stained yellow. You know, we probably should have like cleaned off the top. That's okay. That's okay. It won't kill ya. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, wow. Wow.
That's really good.
I really like that.
Ooh.
It's sweeter on the nose than I was expecting, and what I get from the regular Cynar, nowadays Cynar, you get just a nice soft bitterness on the end.
Yeah, well, the bitterness is really nice.
You don't really taste artichoke. Like, there's definitely artichoke in it because that's the style, but there are a number of herbs and roots and botanicals.
This is a delight. Point, no. But
on to the next.
On to the next.
On to the next. Zucca. This is the second on the list, and this is another style. Zucca means squash. I don't know if there's actual squash, but the important word on the front is rabarbario.
Nope.
Rabarbaro. Rabarbaro. Yeah, which means rhubarb.
Oh.
So this is another style of Amari that is made with rhubarb root.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Now this is one that you can get today as well, right?
You can, yeah. This one is made in Milan, 1960.
A bottle from the 1960s.
Specific year, I don't know. Okay.
Can I open this one?
Yes, please.
Here we go.
Nice.
Oh.
Also stained yellow. Whoa, also syrupy.
I've never had this one, so I don't know what to expect.
Kind of a little more. Oh, there's a little bit more red. Oh, man.
Yeah, right?
So it kind of smells like rubber.
Rubber? I think it smells like moldy closet.
Yeah, oh, it does.
Right?
This one is a little less enticing on the nose.
Have you had this one though?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, is this what it smells like?
I don't recall this. This is.
This is a little funky. I'm scared.
All right.
All right, here we go. Cheers. Cheers.
Ooh, completely different.
Tastes a little more boozy.
So this is 30% ABV.
Oh, okay. It does taste a bit more like cough medicine.
Yeah, this one has more of a syrupy sweetness. But
yeah.
I feel like the Cynar was a little bit more complex. Maybe let this one sit out for a minute and maybe get some of the cobwebs off of it. Yeah, dusty.
Dusty.
Almost. It's like an old
It's
trunk.
not bad.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna let this one sit per Anders' recommendation.
Yeah. All right.
Next.
The Ramazzotti. This one I'm much more familiar with. I like working with Ramazzotti quite a bit. But yeah, so this is one of the oldest Amari available. This dates back to 1815 in Milan. In 1985, they moved from Milan to Piedmont. This one predates that move. So this is actually, I believe, manufactured at a different facility. They do still put Milano on the bottle. Ramazzotti was a really important player with the whole cafe culture in the early 1800s in Milan. All right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
When is this bottle from?
This one is 1960s. Oh.
Ooh.
No? I kind of like the nose.
It kind of smells like Coca-Cola.
It does. Yeah, it's like Coca-Cola.
Yeah, it looks like Coke.
Little medicinal.
Yep.
Kind of reminds me of like Underberg or something.
Okay. Come by.
Come by. Chin chin.
Don't say that, that's so rude. I'm joking, I'm joking. If you're Japanese, then you know that means something inappropriate.
What does it mean?
I can't say it.
If you're in Italy, it means cheers.
Oh, that's true. This is an Italian video, so we can say chin chin.
I like this. I like this better than the Zucca. We're gonna do a little side-by-side taste of the current Ramazzotti. It seems the older the Amari get, the sweeter they get. They smell different.
They smell different. This one's like a lot brighter.
Yeah.
I get like orange.
You do get the orange. I will use Ramazzotti to mix up.
It's so different.
Let me try. Wow, so different.
So different.
What's on the shelves today has much more orange.
So much more orange. Mmm.
Yeah, the older bottle is richer. There's like a coffee element to it.
Yeah, but I like the bright citrusiness of the new.
You prefer the new one?
Yeah, I think I do actually. Cool, awesome. Next,
I need to wash some glasses.
we're gonna wash some glasses for
Number 4, Averna.
Averna.
We have Averna, which is a Sicilian Amaro. So all of the other Amaros are further north in Italy, and the Averna is all the way down in Sicily.
Whoa.
Yeah, the recipe dates back to the 1800s. Averna started in 1868, and they got their recipe from the Benedictine monks. It seems that most Amari recipes either came from pharmacists or monks.
That's why it tastes so medicinal.
Yeah, and this is also a darker, heavier Amaro used in cocktails like the Black Manhattan. Do you want to open this one?
I do.
All right.
And then this particular bottle is from?
This particular bottle is from 1966.
Oh.
Good?
Ooh, I don't know. Ugh.
Oh, no, this is not your fault.
There was a pull tab. Oh.
Okay, all right, it's okay.
It's okay, it's fine, everything is fine.
And then,
Oh, look
got it.
at that. There's some cool writing underneath. Now, oh, that was easy.
This is like,
Ta-da!
look how thick that is. What's going on?
What is?
Is it like a little,
Oh,
I really like the slow pour.
I'm worried that something's gonna like
Yeah,
fall out, like something chunky.
a mouse. Like,
No, like, you know, I don't know what's in there. Okay,
Yeah, okay.
mild smell,
It is, it's more mild than I was anticipating. Also dark.
also dark. Smells medicinal again.
There's a theme.
There's a theme here, yeah.
It's really soft. It's like big flavor, but really, really soft.
It like hits your tongue and then it like,
Uh-huh.
but then there's a little bitter at the end.
This is really nice. I really like this.
I like it too.
I would sip on this. I get like vanilla, but then also peppery. It has pomegranate and lemon and orange oil, among clearly botanicals and herbs. I like it. All right, next, water break.
Water break. Ew.
Yeah, big one next.
Is it Fernet?
Fernet Branca, 1970s Fernet, which is a whole nother style. It's sold in over 160 different countries, and around 25% of the bottles that are imported to the States are sold in the San Francisco area. So it's really big out west. Where it's consumed the most worldwide would be Argentina. And this is its own category because it is very medicinal and stronger. This is 40%. It's very menthol, eucalyptus, toothpastey.
Uh-huh.
It certainly has its following.
All right, you do the honors.
I'll do the honors.
You do the honors.
Oh, that just made a funny sound.
Ooh, I don't know how I feel about that. Was that like gas? Ooh, I don't know about it.
Okay.
Okay, let's just be very careful with this one. I'm not excited. Okay, that's plenty, that's plenty.
As you are not a Fernet fan.
I am not a Fernet.
All right. Really dark in its color. Has a...
I already smell it. It's still Fernet.
Man, yeah, that's Fernet. Yeah, Fernet is... I find it to be a bit drier.
Ah,
Yeah.
I don't like it.
It doesn't have that syrupy sweetness that the others have. You definitely get this very strong medicinal menthol, eucalyptus, cough drop.
It
kind of
straight up
flavor.
tastes like medicine.
It's thinner than the rest.
It's thinner than the rest. It's
Yeah.
very thin.
Yeah.
Are you sure this is what it's supposed to taste like?
Can't
It's
say.
not like off? Let's
Yeah.
compare with
And
today's
it is
version.
40%, so it is a
Oh,
little bit
okay,
hotter.
a little bit more shelf stable.
Yeah, and we're gonna compare it with the
okay.
current day Fernet.
Lighter color.
It is lighter.
Yeah. I think it's a little sweeter actually.
The newer stuff?
Yeah, that's weird.
Really?
I don't know. I don't know if that's true.
The bottle that you get today, I get much more mint. Ooh. The bottle from 40, 50 years ago, it's more harsh than I was anticipating.
It's harsh. Yeah, like it's not as like this is light.
It's sharp. All right, this one might be questionable.
This is I think this is questionable.
It's not my personal favorite.
Ugh.
We keep drinking it. We gotta finish this bottle.
No. Ugh. It's so bitter.
It's really bitter.
Like, I like bitter things. And it's like if your toothpaste was bitter and no sweetness. And then you mix it up with water. I'm sorry,
I don't even know if you can see on here, but like it just is this
Oh,
weird
that is not right.
coating.
Ew.
That might be unhealthy.
I don't know if you can see that. Maybe this camera will pick it up. I don't think that's right, dude.
Honest opinion, not sure about this bottle.
No
Yeah.
on this bottle. Question mark on this bottle.
What's strange is like having this and then having the modern day Fernet. I'm like, there we go. Not at all what I expected.
Much prefer the modern day, and I still don't like it, but it's better.
Thank you for drinking Fernet. Number 6.
Oh, then we still have one more to go.
Yeah, totally worth it.
Not worth it. Not worth it.
Let's see how that Zucca's doing. So this is one that I wanted to like let sit. This tastes more like what I think of Zucca.
Okay, now I feel better.
Number 6.
Number 6.
This is the one I've been most excited about because it is no longer available. Gambarotta. All right, we'll talk like Americans.
Gambarotta.
Gambarotta is from northern Italy in Piedmont. So a lot of these Amaros are from that area. I can already tell by the color that it's not gonna be quite as heavy. It's 34% alcohol, ABV, and they stopped producing it in the 1970s. So this bottle is from that era. It's from the 70s. In the 1970s, the demand for Amari declined and it just went out of business. I'm just excited because we have a bottle and we get to taste. We get to taste a piece of history. But this is a recipe that potentially dates back to the 1600s. Still older than me.
Still older than you, but not
I feel
by
so
much.
young. I am also from the 70s.
Yeah.
It sounds healthy.
Smells old.
I have no idea anything that's in this. We scoured the internet.
Yeah, there was like
There's
nothing.
no information.
No information. So if anybody knows anything about this particular Amaro,
Leave a comment down below.
Leave a comment or let us know.
To me, it almost has like a floral smell.
Okay, maybe I need
Like
a
flowers.
little bit
That's completely different.
more. Whoa.
That is good.
You're right about the flowers.
That is good. That is really good. They need to start making this again.
What the
Gambarotta
heck
again.
is this?
That is tasty.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is so much more floral.
Yeah.
And almost kind of like not in a bad way, but like potpourri.
But there's also like a fruitiness. I almost get like pears on the nose.
Pears.
Yeah.
I get like spices.
Spiced pears.
Spiced pears.
That is a surprise. I'm so glad we drank this one after we had the
Oh
Fernet.
my god. Like it's like you know those dried flowers? Potpourri.
Potpourri?
Like soap. Like smelly
Soapari.
soapery. This one's fun.
Yeah. I would say my top 2 standouts would be this one and the Cynar.
Samesies.
These
These
are the
our
winners.
winners.
We started and ended with the best 2.
Oh, that Cynar is so good.
I would probably say my favorite is the Cynar.
Between
But
these two?
the biggest surprise was the Gambarotta. Thank you for watching. If you would like to dig in a little deeper as far as AMARO is concerned, I highly recommend the book AMARO by Brad Thomas Parsons, who actually speaks more eloquently on the topic than I can. Check it out. I learned a lot from this guy. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified the next time another video comes out. And we will see you next time. Cheers.
Bye.
Hey, look, we drank that one.
We did drink this one.
Rabarbaro. That's hard for me to say.
Rabarbaro.
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 Rhubarb. Artichoke. Rhubarb. Artichoke.